Property owners, contractors, and landscapers usually need to protect and enhance naturally porous exterior surfaces. With proper maintenance and the application of a water-repellent product such as Wacker SILRES sealers and enhancers, you can extend the life of these surfaces for generations. Leave it to the imagination of Wacker. Wacker SILRES silicone-based sealers and enhancers provide highly effective barriers that protect concrete, natural stone and tile, and other porous building materials from the damaging effects of the elements. To demonstrate how SILRES products are properly applied, we filmed a recent project in an ideal location, a place where people know all about the damaging effects of snow, salt, freeze-thaw, and seasonal temperature changes. The main entry to Wacker Chemical Headquarters was completed in 1999. The building's walkways, grounds, and parking areas face northeast. But if you live where it snows and temperatures dip below freezing, you know what road salt and water, combined with freezing and thawing, can do to porous surfaces. Once water and salt get below the surface, they erode the concrete substrate, aided by the freeze-thaw cycle. They also corrode rebar in the substrate. Rusting rebar expands to 2.5 times its original size, causing further damage. Treating concrete surfaces with SILRES BS 4004 and SILRES BS 3003 will add years to the life of concrete by making it water repellent while allowing the substrate to breathe. Sealing with these products also protects against salt penetration and helps minimize biological growth, such as lichen and algae. Let's get started. First, make sure any freshly applied concrete, mortar, or grout has cured for 28 days. Power wash the surface to remove dirt and stains and expose the untreated surfaces. All surfaces should be free of rain or irrigation water and allowed at least 72 hours to dry. In fact, moisture and humidity can make or break the effective life of your application. Taking the next 2 steps will help SILRES products penetrate the concrete 2 to 3 times deeper and make your application last years longer. 1. The moisture content of your concrete must be less than 4%. We use a moisture meter and determine that our concrete contains about 1% moisture, so we're good to go. 2. The ambient temperature must be 5.5 degrees Fahrenheit or more above the dew point. Now we're ready for material preparation. First step, safety. Make sure you have all the recommended protective gear, including latex gloves and protective eyewear and clothing. Follow all label and technical datasheet instructions for handling, application, cleanup, and disposal of products and tools. After making sure all safety procedures described in these safety datasheets are followed and materials are in place, we begin application day using a leaf blower to remove any loose dirt and debris. For this project, we use 2 of our popular VOC compliant sealers, SILRES BS 4004 and SILRES BS 3003. We prepare a 10% active solution, mixing the appropriate amount of sealer with water. You can see the diluted sealer has a low viscosity, almost the consistency of whole milk. The solution strength provides a coverage rate of 125 square feet per gallon. Preferred coverage at an excellent depth of penetration without over-application. For this application, we use a common garden sprayer to apply the material. A fan-tip nozzle is recommended for ease of application. For precast wall applications, spray from different angles to be sure all surfaces are completely coated. We recommend applying from the bottom of the wall up, overlapping to ensure good coverage and minimal loss of material. Spray across a concrete section in one pass, or fan width, until saturated. As you begin the next pass, move up only 1/3 of the fan depth at a time. This ensures excellent coverage. Once applied, the surface should appear saturated. Some runoff is desirable to coat the base surface as well. If runoff puddles at the base, squeegee or spread it evenly across the surface or mop it up with rags. When dry, SILRES BS 4004 gives old concrete a rejuvenated appearance and extra water-beating performance. While SILRES BS 3003 doesn't affect appearance, it does improve concrete's ability to repel water. With horizontal surfaces, apply the same sweeping fan-like passes. Once the material is applied, prevent any foot traffic for 24 hours to allow adequate curing. The surface should feel dry. If you use a sealer that causes water to bead, you should be able to see good beading at this point. As the surface continues to dry, the beading will become more pronounced. For cleanup recommendations, consult your safety data sheet. We recommend testing of the performance and level of hydrophobicity after 5 to 10 years to determine if the substrate needs to be recoated. Contact us at info.usa@wacker.com or 888-922-5374 and speak with one of our technical experts for more information and advice. Wacker SILRES silicone-based sealers and enhancers. Cost-effective and practical solutions to help exterior walkway and structures stay stronger, longer. From the imagination of Wacker.
Wacker, creating tomorrow's solutions.